Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unique Fashion Presents. This video about casual tea-lane dress and beautiful design, beautiful tea-lane dress, different color. Casual wear is a western dress code that is relaxed, occasional suit or everyday use. Casual wear become popular in western world following up the 1960s. While casual is informal in the sense of not formal, informal wear traditionally referred to a western dress code as is associated with suit. Modern casual function can be tracked to fashion, sportswear, including skirts, an increase in popularity in bicycling. Progressed casual come to encompass more styles, including workwear and element from military uniforms, while the popularity of sport in the late 19th century, a good deal of care has influenced casual wear. Basic material used for casual wear include cotton, jersey, velvet, chiffon, brocade are often associated with more formal clothes, while casual dress